In PHP, we're gonna use array filter to keep the elements where element is even. Remember, this is our instruction. So we'll keep an array and remove the second array. So we'll keep the elements when it's even. So we'll do this. Just quickly do this. We'll do array underscore filter keeps elements where index is even. Okay, then we'll bring in okay, so bring in so return array values values array values, then bring in the array filters, then the parameter which is the visualizing the dollar sign. Let's call them array, ARR in short. Array no, my screen is should be I. Then after that, what comes next? We would if I is divisible by 2 and an even number, what we'll do is we would array filter use both. PHP is kind of is an archaic language, but I love it. Just test our skill and see. Keep the big screen. Yeah, so that's how we would do. Okay, that's what we're gonna do for this. And let's see. Let's test. How do we test in? Let's print our code move the function. So we remove. Of course, I remember for now I copied it before now. Let's copy it again and see and paste. Okay, that's pretty much about that. So let's. Was it difficult? Okay, unexpected percent. Pass error, which is it shouldn't be this. It ought to be dollar sign. Yeah, let's see again. Well, the identifier, which is use both. Array filter. Sorry, to be one word. Array filter underscore. So it's array underscore filter underscore use both. Remember I told you before now that we don't use space. It should be one word, all mixed together. Oh, it's run now. Attempt. Okay, I added array values to it. Okay, you didn't want me to reindex the array. Okay, that's why. Okay, 0 equals to 1. So ought to print 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's move that from there. Let's see. Yeah, I should work out now. Let's print and test and see. Okay, attempt. Oh, it worked.